So guys, we're back and we're playing Murder Mystery 2. So let's start and get started. So let's I don't know. Let's get um get murder or sheriff. So let's go. What are you doing? So let's please. Oh, bro, I am murder. I am murder.
Have you ever seen a mosquito this greedy, even when its belly was about to burst? It kept on sucking. It had no idea the danger was already looming. At night, a mosquito hadn't eaten for 3 days. Its hunger made its eyes spin and its legs weak. Suddenly, it caught a whiff of something sweet. Immediately, it followed the scent and slipped through a wide open window into a room. On the bed lay a snoring, overweight man. The little mosquito's eyes lit up. It darted straight toward him, but unexpectedly crashed headfirst into the mosquito net. The force flung the tiny mosquito away, but it got caught in the mesh and was pulled. It landed right on the man's belly. This was a perfect chance for a feast. The mosquito straightened its long proboscis. With a dive, it pierced the skin. The sweet blood flowed through its tube into its belly. Instantly, the mosquito felt alive again. It drank one gulp after another, unable to stop. Its shriveled belly slowly swelled. Before long, the mosquito's body had become round and plump, but it didn't show any sign of stopping. It greedily continued to suck. Suddenly, the surroundings started to shake. The mosquito sensed trouble. It tried to pull out its proboscis, but it was too full to escape. By the time the man's hand moved away from his belly, the little mosquito had completely vanished. Have you ever seen a mosquito?
No one can win this.
Oh man.
Talad!
Ah!
Look at tomato and bone fishing. Nutrition. Oscar. I like tomato, donut,
When type A and type B's travel together,
Sorry guys for the interruption. But who was the last? Who was the, oh this girl. He was the last one. Sorry for the interruption guys. Sorry, that was my brother and I'm not Filipino and I just stopped filming. Sorry for disturbing. So we got anything and go. He just joined. I'm showing you a secret room. If you have this map, this is a secret room. You can go right here. What's the burger? Oh. Just not get killed. Let's see. Mom. So guys, what I'm gonna do now? Let's just wait here. If you want to add me, just add me. But first, you have to like and subscribe. You have to promise me that. And let's just wait. So guys, I know who's the murderer and who's the sheriff. So I'm watching this. I'm watching in my tablet, in my brother's tablet. So let's go here. There's a trick that they can get us. So here. The murderers. What is that? The murderer. There's a trick. If you go here, just jump there and just jump rapidly, and you go to this wall. And there should be a space. There's a space. Ano siya? There's a space here.
Nasa sa kamera?
It is in my back right now. This is the trick. So that is the trick. Right. This is the trick that they won't get you. And game over. Clap your hands, everyone. 8 minutes on the clock. So, the innocent wins this round. And what are we? So we're level 22. That's really good. What level are you? Tell in the comments, guys. Just tell me. Make this a lot of views because you forgot the 20 Robux. I'm not forgetting that. Just like and subscribe if you reach 20 subscribers. And then you see now. We're just gonna lay here. So guys, this is our Roblox. This is our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. My purpose one is find the YouTubers. If you're new here, watch this to get that you know that you can find the YouTuber if you play this and this too. My first video of finding YouTubers and this too. This is the race to the top plus brother voice reveal, guys. And my first video is Voice reveal? Huh? No. Huh? I had a video here. So what? Okay guys, let's go back to the game. We have not been killed yet, so clap your hands. Just a level 100. I like. Let's trade if you give me anything good. Shout out to Murder Mystery 2, guys. Shout out to Murder Mystery 2. Let's see. Is that the murder? So that's the murder. So we're gonna get the gun and kill him and win the game for everyone.
For everyone.
Ah. Malungay pa. We're just gonna do this to him. And
Alis ko na. May kaya ko. Ang babae.
the murderer is the girl. So we're good. After if she's here. Then we are gonna shoot him. Oh, victory! The game's over. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. And the time of this is 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Guys, if you want to get me 1 hour playing this game, I'll do it if I get 100 subscribers that much. If not, just in the comments, or just 50 subscribers. Just like and subscribe. And let's guys, there's a big toilet. So there's another hiding spot, a good hiding spot right here. There's a level 100 here. Guys, I don't know what to say. Victory! The sheriff has killed the murderer. So if this time we reach 15 minutes, I'm sorry, but I gotta end this. What are you? Oh, this, okay. Guys, give me a break. Just give me a lot of. I know this for you. We're doing this for the fans that know me. We're not giving up until we become something good. I know the murderer, guys. I know. We're just. How the heck did he get there? Here, bro, patsana bro. Patsana isang babae. Siyang
Doktor
So I'm gonna get this. And we're gonna kill him. So let's see. Where is he? Nah, bruh. Nah. I'm gonna get him back if I become a murderer. I am gonna kill her first. There, she died. That's what you get.
That's what I know.
This guy Nico guy is a man. He is so noob.
It's so weird though.
Huh? Yung tabon ko lang So, what we're gonna do? Let's just do the factory, bro. Factory. There's a secret room that I might get in. Oh guys, 16 minutes, and I'm just gonna add 4 minutes to my timer. Okay, just if you have the link, you just do that. I heard the murder. So this is the secret room, guys.
Sino to? Babae, no?
So who's the murderer, by the way? Let's use the murder. What am I doing?
Kuan ka ba tayo? Kau taya ah. Ara ko sa anak yan.
So we know now who's the murderer. That's heck no. So guys, if you want the gift here, make this 25 subscribers. This is I'm giving away a blossom to one of my fans, a random fan I'm gonna pick. So better luck yourself, because if you get this is a limited blossom. You can get it on only. I just got the sheriff.
Madirir ko.
If someone comes next to me and follow me, I'm just gonna shoot. You. Why aren't they moving? Why aren't they moving? Is that a murder?
Kaya nakakita ko secret room mo. Nakikita ko na sa likod mo. Sa likod.
Ara gani sunod ako. So we knows the murder now. Tucker. It's the room. So let's just heck no. So guys, see you in my next video. We've reached 20 minutes.